right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the expert advisor. Okay, set up expert advisor. This first video, I'm going to be doing it for the Forex pairs. All right, then I have another video for the indices. All right, first thing you want to do is download. I've sent everybody the indicator. Download it to your desktop or to the downloads folder, wherever you have it. Come over, hit File. You're going to open up your data folder. You're going to go to MQL5. Experts. You're going to drag that the EA over into the experts folder right here. The current version is version 4 revision 2. Version 4 revision 2. Once that's in there, close that out. Anywhere in here, click refresh. It will then show up in here. Version 4 revision 2. All right, we're going to double click it. Open it up. I like to open mine full screen. Slide it down like this, Open it up so I can see everything. Common, we want to make sure both of these are checked. Then we come over to inputs. This video is strictly for the Forex pairs. The next video was for indices. So this is for the Forex settings. All right. Price cross, false. Everything is default. I'll show you what to change. False there. Trade, MA cross, true. Delay opening of a trade. We're trading the Forex pairs on the hour. So we're going to put the 60 because that says in minutes. What that does is that keeps it from opening up in a bad trade. If the first trade before that going the wrong way, it'll keep it from opening up. Candle to look at, 0 forming, 1 closed. I like to do opening, 0, which is forming. That means as soon as the MAs cross, it'll enter. 1 means it'll wait for the candle to close and then enter. So we like 0. Fast MA, 13. Slow MA, 200. Exponential, leave these alone, exponential. Trend filter, false, because the 200 is our trend. Okay. All right. Selected exit signal. We're going to come over here and put this to no exit for right now. No exit because we're not going to use that. All right. Maximum percentage 5. Then we have max concurrent trades at a time. 1. That means only 1 trade will open. If you want to have more than 1 trade open, you click that and put 2. Say when price crosses, when the MAs cross, yours now has 2 trades opening. That's up to you. But remember, proper risk management. If you have 2 trades open here and then you put this EA on all your pairs, just think, for example, what if 10 or 15 of the trades open at the same time and you got 2 going? That's 30 trades running at one time. Look at your account margin, free margin, and account balance. So make sure you are using proper risk management. All right. So I like to keep it on 1. Fixed lot size. You can either do money management fixed lot size right here, or you can actually do a percentage of your account equity or balance. Okay, either one you want to do. I do fixed lot size 0.1 right here, or it depends on what size account you have. Fixed take profit in pips. Here we're going to do 100. Fixed stop loss. We're going to do 50. All right. Use a trailer. True. Trailing stop in pips. We're going to say 20 pips. All right. Trailing in steps. We're going to change this to 1. Okay. Everything else we're going to leave alone for right now. We're not going to worry about the times to trade. All right. So you see what we have here. You see what we have. And I'm going to make a screenshot of this right now to put also in the group. This is our settings. Everybody sees. Okay. Settings for Forex. All right. Got that. Okay. So that is our settings for Forex pairs.